Okay.
Ska vi ta den?
You know what's gonna happen right now, Bea? You're gonna have some rice cereal. Yeah? You should probably hold this a little bit tighter. Ready? What do you think of that, Bea? Hmm? You like it?
Yummy,
You
yummy.
like it? Good job, Bea. Good job.
Yummy, yummy. Det är första gången du äter något. Mm.
Good job, Bea.
Uh-oh.
You want a bib?
Yeah.
Here's a cloth. And a bib.
Oh, rusigt mamma.
Mama sneeze. Okay.
Bea. Här kommer mer.
You ready? I almost want to add a little bit more rice to it.
Yeah.
I'm going to do that real fast. This video gets a whole lot of stuff, doesn't it? Okay. You ready, Bea? You ready? Any more? I should know not to. You like it, don't you? Those are some frantic hands trying to get that in your mouth. Yeah.
Vad gott. Vad gott.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Du glömde svälja, gumman.
Get every last drop. Sorry, Benny. I got it on your...
Uh-oh. It's a little bit smaller spoons.
Now, Seth. Hang on a second. Let's see what we got here.
Vet inte mamma att du är hungrig? Du vill äta mer. Alltid mer. Bea. Så ja. Det var duktigt. Svälj nu.
Yeah. I'm making a mess. Mama's making a bigger mess than Bea is. There you go. Oh.
Yeah, one of those spoons take twice to eat for her.
You didn't want to let go, did you?
Försöker du hjälpa till med fötterna också, gumman? Så ja.
What do you think of this, Bea?
Jag tror du tycker om det lite.
Oh, you got your hands in, didn't you? You got your hands in on the action.
Så. Okej, här kommer den, gumman. Ledsen.
Shark attack. Shark attack.
Attack!
Ready? Ready? Not a bottle, Bea.
Turn her upside down once you
Oh, she has formula or the stuff all over her hand.
Yeah.
Ready? You might take another shower, Papa. She wants more desperately.
Ja. Går det för långsamt? Fick du lite på näsan? Ja, det är inte så farligt.
It's okay. I'll go faster, hon.
Nu börjar det bli lite bättre, eller hur? Big up. Svalde du det? Det är tur vi ska bada där ikväll, eller hur?
Ready? It's almost done.
Oj, 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 oj. Ja, du är lite vild. Vi får nu börja äta i badkaret direkt.
That was at minute 6.5.
Hurry, hurry. Går det för långsamt?
This is just a disaster now.
It's not so bad. She's got a lot in her.
Ready?
Du är jätteduktig på att äta, Vilma.
Last bite, Bea.
Snipp, snapp, snut, så var maten slut.
And